The camera tool is a really neat tool that allows you to create a linked image from an area of your spreadsheet. The camera tool isn't on any of the ribbons though, so it has to be added to the Quick Access toolbar. To add buttons to your Quick Access toolbar, go up to the top where your Quick Access toolbar is, and right-click, and choose Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Up at the top where it says Popular Commands, click the drop-down and change it to show Commands Not in the Ribbon. These are features in Excel that you won't find on any ribbon. If you scroll down, you'll eventually find Camera, and you can double-click it and then click OK. You've now added the camera tool to your Quick Access toolbar. All you have to do now is select the area of your spreadsheet that you want to take a snapshot of and click your camera. It's now taken a snapshot, and you can place that snapshot either on the current spreadsheet or go to another spreadsheet in the same workbook, or you can even place it in another workbook completely. I'm going to choose to place it on another sheet in my workbook, so I'm going to go down to Sheet 1, and I'll click anywhere on Sheet 1. And there's my snapshot. Not only is it movable and resizable, but even when you resize it, it doesn't lose clarity. And the cool thing is it's linked to the original spreadsheet, so any formatting changes or any data updates will be reflected here in your snapshot. So if I go back to the sales spreadsheet and I change maybe the first amount to $40,000, and maybe I'll decide to shade the area of my spreadsheet here with, how about a pale yellow color? When I go back to Sheet 1, my image has been updated as well. And the great thing is, users can't accidentally change the contents of the cells because it's an image. As you can see, the camera tool is great for sharing your work with others, but it's also very useful when you're creating dashboards. It allows you to resize different pivot tables on your dashboard without affecting other pivot tables. You can also use the camera tool in workbooks that have multiple linked sheets. Maybe you'd like to see what effect the changes you make to one sheet has on another sheet without switching. The camera tool is a great feature with multiple uses. Try it out. I think you'll find many different ways to use it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to discover many more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a thing. And if you'd like information on how to attend one of our courses or speak with someone about software consulting or database support, hang tight and the information will pop up on your screen.